let's compute the compound interest when the interest is compounded half yearly. Let's understand. In that case, the rate of interest will be R by 2% per half year. This is not clear right now? Never mind. Let's understand it with the help of a simple example. Now let's take an example. Say, let's find the compound interest on rupees 8,000 for 1.5 years. And the interest is being payable half yearly. That is, the person who lent the money will receive interest every 6 months. Last time we studied cases where the interest was calculated annually. Here it's a different situation. Here the interest is payable after every 6 months. So what to do in such a situation? Let's understand. Now we know the rate of interest is 10%. Principal is 8,000. What is the time? It mentioned 1.5 years. And the interest is being payable half yearly. So how many half years are there in 1.5 years? There are 3 half years in 1.5 years. So the time here is going to be 3. Now let's work it out. We have this formula. Time is 3. I'm sorry. Here we put the time. Let me write down the formula first and let's work it out. Let's put the values now. The rate of interest is 10% per annum and the time is 3 years. There is one more point that is yet to be done. The rate of interest is calculated as 10% per annum, but we want it for half year. So this formula, this method will not work here. We will write the principal, that is 8,000, and let's write the formula. This is 10% per annum. For half year, we will multiply it by 1 by 2. And there are 3 half years, so we will put 3 here. Now let's work it out. So this is the amount received for 1.5 years. So here we have the amount, let's call it A for the time being, is 9,261. Principal is 8,000. So the compound interest, let's call it CI for the time being, is 1,261. This is the compound interest that has been received for 1.5 years, interest payable half yearly. If we compute the interest half yearly, this is the compound interest that we will get, and this is the amount. So that was easy.